Including Bitcoin, 2022 has been an extremely difficult year for all cryptocurrencies. In fact, throughout 2022, Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency in the world, lost up to 65% of its market value. A slew of bad occurrences, including the Terra Luna crash, the collapse of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange FTX, and the impending macroeconomic conditions, took crypto enthusiasts off guard, says Rafael Oliveira. Bitcoin. What will happen next is one of the many queries on everyone's mind, though. In 2023, will Bitcoin ever climb once more? Or will it collapse similarly? In 2022, here is a thorough study that will assist you in learning about all the potential Bitcoin price scenarios for 2023. Will Bitcoin regain its growth in 2023? The price of Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency in the world, is fairly stable and hovers around $26,250, due to blocked withdrawals and the highest transaction fees. Bitcoin has been falling for the past 2 weeks. Bitcoin did, however, show a very tiny recovery as a result of the positive macroeconomic trends in the U.S., as the economy hoped that the U.S. Federal Reserve would soon cease raising interest rates due to U.S. inflation. Data from April, the 10th month of moderation, shows hints of improvement. The fact that U.S. inflation has been progressively declining for months now gave cryptocurrency investors some hope that the currency will once more rebound, while investors anxiously watch UK inflation statistics and the ongoing US debt ceiling negotiations, which could influence the Fed's decision to raise interest rates. Big crypto coins like Bitcoin are still trading in the red. With so much negativity going around, May has proven to be a terrible month for Bitcoin, where it plummeted about 10% for this month and nearly 7% for this quarter. Last week, Bitcoin was trading at a loss. After Binance, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, twice blocked withdrawals of the cryptocurrency, citing a backlog of outstanding transactions and technical difficulties. Before this, Bitcoin was content to be at $29,000 and was keen to reach $30,000 once more. For the very first time since June 10, 2022, Bitcoin reached the important resistance level of $30,000 in April. After that, it resumed declining until it reached levels of $28,000. Bitcoin has increased by 80% this year compared to last. The road to recovery, however, is a lengthy one because Bitcoin is currently about 50% below its all-time high. This, in November 2021, exceeded $69,000 by 2023. Can Bitcoin reach $100,000? We are all aware that BTC has increased by more than 80% since the year's beginning. With such enormous and unexpected growth, it has undoubtedly outperformed several other important assets and provided fantastic returns to those who purchased BTC at a discount. The market is enthusiastic to see the biggest cryptocurrency in the world reach a new height and is looking forward to more. According to Marshall Beard, Chief Strategy Officer at the American cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, this year will see Bitcoin reach new record highs. And quote, $100,000 price figure is an interesting number if Bitcoin gets to its previous record high of near $69,000, end quote. He remarked, if Bitcoin reaches this mystic number, it will need to increase by 270% to reach the level of $1 lakh. The chief technological officer of Tether, Paolo Ardoino, is likewise rather upbeat about Bitcoin. According to him, Bitcoin might and retest and its record high of around $69,000. However, 2023 appears to be a favorable year for Bitcoin proponents, who have always viewed the cryptocurrency as a safe haven investment and digital gold and that can provide investors with a solid hedging opportunity or an alluring return during times of chaos. Bitcoin had a significant uptick in expectations that the U.S. financial and banking environment will lessen the likelihood of more aggressive interest rate increases by the U.S. Federal Reserve. Can Bitcoin achieve $1 million by 2025? Bitcoin enthusiasts frequently make unrealistic expectations for the preferred currency. And following this brief bull run, there have been several speculations that the value of BTC, the largest digital currency in the world, may reach $10 lakh by the year 2025. Several well-known figures in the crypto world have reiterated this significant and fictitious amount of $10 lakh. Rafael Oliveira Bitcoin predicts that the value of the currency will reach $1 million over the following 5 years. Balaji Srinivasan, an investor and former head of technology at Coinbase, made yet another crazy estimate. This time that Bitcoin would hit $10 lakh or even more within 90 days. Rafael Oliveira Bitcoin believes that over the next 5 years, the currency's value will reach $1 million. An investor and former head of technology at Coinbase, Balaji Srinivasan, made yet another ludicrous prediction, this time predicting that Bitcoin would reach $10 lakh or even more within 90 days. According to Rafael Oliveira, as the world enters the stage of hyperinflation, the dollar's value will decline and people will begin purchasing more and more bitcoins. The term hyperinflation and refers to an extremely rapid rise in the cost of goods and services over time. To sum up, there are many opinions and forecasts about Bitcoin, some of which are bullish and some of which are gloomy. Where Bitcoin will go next can only be determined with time. Bitcoin has a significant capability for comebacks and is renowned for being robust. Several seasoned analysts have been predicting that the Bitcoin bubble will pop within the next decade. But the cryptocurrency's poster child is still a favorite among many people and has helped investors amass substantial fortunes over time, says Rafael Oliveira.